everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today, we're going to be making pumpkin banana bread. What you think?
I like it.
I got you a gift, Opal. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's Minnie's.
It's Minnie Mouse, and it's an apron. So we're going to put this apron on Opal. Okay? Oh, and now you're ready to bake. Alright, first we're going to take this. What's this?
A butter.
It's butter. And we're gonna, yeah, good job. We're going to soften it a little bit in the microwave, and we're going to mix it with a cup of sugar. You like sugar, don't you? Alright, you want to pour in the sugar?
Yeah.
Nice job. Alright, Opal, what's this?
A mixer.
Yeah, it's an electric mixer.
Electro mixer.
I'm going to take those and I will mix. And remember, we keep our hands far away, right? Good job.
So.
Alright, next we're going to put this in. What is this?
An egg.
Yep. We're going to crack it into there. And then we're going to use the electric mixer to beat it in. And we're going to do that with 2 different eggs. Good job keeping your hands away. That's very safe of you.
Crack it open.
Good
I
job.
use the electro mixer.
Yep, we'll use the electric mixer. What do you have?
I have a pocket.
You have a pocket?
Yeah.
What are you going to put in there?
I put a phone in there.
You put your phone in there? Yeah.
Mommy?
Yep. What's that? Do you know?
Do you know?
It's pumpkin.
This is pumpkin.
Yeah, just like the pumpkins we got at the pumpkin patch, but this one's in a can. So I'm opening up the can, and I'll get 1 cup of pumpkin. All right, Opal, what's this?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, very good.
Banana.
And we're gonna get 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then you can pour it in there. Okay. All right, you pour it in. Very good. And then we've got this. 1 cup of what?
Pumpkin.
That's right. Let's pour that in. Bloop. All right. And then last for this part, we're going to put these in. These are very yucky what?
Banana.
That's right. They almost don't look like bananas anymore. Bleh, 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 bleh. Is that silly? Yeah. Yucky bananas. Ooh, yuck. All right, it's gonna take a little work to get these out. Ooh. All right. I promise it'll look better once it's done. Because right now, this recipe is looking a little bit icky. Can you stir this, Opal? Do a little mashing. Thanks. Good work. Mash those bananas. You are a professional. I am blown away by your skills. Wow, wow, wow. And once the bananas are mashed, then Mommy will use the electric mixer again, okay? Oh. You're doing a very good job.
Icky.
Squishy, icky. All right, next we are going to do 2 cups of flour. And we're gonna put the wet ingredients aside, and we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together, okay? What do you have in your hand? What is that? Do you know?
You know?
It's salt.
Salt.
Yep. We'll use it in a minute. You gonna pour this in?
Yeah.
Good job. We're gonna do 2 cups of flour. Next is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Can you say baking soda?
Baking soda.
Good job. And then we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Where's the salt? You got it. Good job. Wow, you are very good at that. We gotta fill the whole 1/2 teaspoon. Very good. Now you can pour it in. And then we're gonna use cinnamon. Same scooper. Will it fit in there? Yeah. Good. Pour that in. Good. And then it called for nutmeg, but we don't have that, so we're going to use pumpkin pie spice. I have to open it, turns out. Oh, let's level it out. Very good. Now you can pour that in. Good job. Now we're going to mix together all these dry ingredients, and then we'll mix them in with the wet ingredients. What you think? Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably a little tricky with that little teeny measuring thing, huh? Do you want to use a fork instead?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
How
let's
about
pour that out.
beans?
All right, let's use the fork.
I want to use the wet beans.
Oh, the wet ingredients? Yeah, we first have to mix the dry ingredients. Can you do that?
The drying beans.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir.
I get apples. Wet beans. Apple drying beans.
That's the dry ingredients, you're right. There. Good mixing. Alright, so now we're going to pour some of the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you pour like this. Just take little scoops. And once we get enough little scoops, then Mommy will start mixing again. Nice job. Good. Alright, watch your hands. Yep, we just finished mixing all the wet and dry ingredients together. And we'll put it in this little pan here. And then what are we going to do with it, Opal?
Oven!
The oven! And we'll say, thanks, oven, for cooking. Right?